Because we did not present there, and we don't know, but after hearing the incident only we come to know, and for which we appeal to both the parties to maintain peace.
So, the Naga Hoho being the parent body for the Naga as a whole, is Naga Hoho involved as in decision making regarding this land dispute or land emergement?
No, no, because we don't have customary court. But whenever there is any dispute or misunderstanding between the two communities, or be it between the two villages, we feel that we should maintain peace. So, for which we appeal to both the parties to maintain peace. I think now as it is, misunderstanding and the dispute has been going on for long years. And from one side, they have served ultimatum to the state government. And I think it was also negligence of the state government. Because when any party served ultimatum, they have the grievances to address. So the government must address the grievances, whatever be. So when government also understand that there is a dispute, and when one party served ultimatum, they should address the grievances. So it is also the negligence on the part of the government. If the grievances was addressed, then there would not have been incident. So we can simply say that it is the failure of the government of the state. Even though Naga Hoho is an apex body, we don't have customary court, and because of which any dispute arises between the two communities must be resolved. Inviting the parties, the state government must take up the issue, and then that can be resolved only through the state government's initiative. So we usually say that as we know that we are peace-loving people, and we want to maintain the peace forever and ever. So whenever there are any violence or incident, be it injury, be it killing one another, it is not good for the society. That is why we appeal for maintaining the peace. Otherwise, for dispute solution, it is purely the government of the state. Government must take up the issue, and then it must be resolved by inviting the grievances parties. Actually, we don't know exactly how the incident took place, but the Western Semi Youth France, when we contacted as to where, as exactly as you said, where they should go like that, they said, we served the ultimatum to the state government, and after expiry of weeks also, state government did not invite us. Later, they asked the other party to maintain status quo. They said that we have nothing to comment on it. When they said that their ultimatum was not just accepted or taken up by the state government, they have no other option than to go to the spot. That was what they said.
So now that some houses are burned down in Lamhainamdi, and also some individuals are already injured. So do you also think that this problem can be solved through peace? I mean, like the people can live in peace.
I think so, because the state government is the authority, and when they have also ordered to maintain the status quo, then which side is not maintaining status quo must be the those who cannot maintain the status quo is fault. Rather, they are on the fault. So the government must take up the issue like that. The two communities, through peaceful means, they could not resolve the issue, problem. So it must be the state government. Invite both the parties, sit together across the table, and then find out what should be the ways and means to resolve the issue.
So do you think the state government is intentionally ignoring this issue? Because like my colleague has said, this issue has been a decade now. So why is the government silent on this according to you?
No, that is what I'm also thinking. The state government must take it very serious. It may not be intention, but even if it is unintentional also, or even if they cannot take up the issue on time, at least they must serve notice telling the parties that the government is looking after this, and then it will be taken up. So government can address to the aggrieved parties to wait, at least to extend the time, date, so that there could be a meeting point.
Taking this platform, and then you being the president of Naga, Hoho, would you like to convey a message to the Sunni brothers as well as the Zinyan brothers, like conveying a message to them?
Right. We have already conveyed our message through a newspaper, telling them to maintain peace and harmony among the two communities. When the two community clashes, it also disturbs their peace of mind. And peace of mind is not concerning to individual, but it concerns to all Naga. So we have appealed to both the parties, both the communities to maintain peace.